Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic subjective elements of sleep has been asserted with the onset of cardiac diseases. They showed that insomnia and sleep quality factors have relationship with anxiety and depression. Respectively, Haseeb was associated with stress and reduced sleep quality, and the combination of anxiety and stress reduced the positive effect of social capital on sleep quality. The authors noted that anxiety and stress of isolated invalids were at high level while the sleep quality was low. Based on the above theoretical data and combination of later, it can be considered that many factors contribute to enhancing and discouraging the well-being and sleep quality. Among several indicators, coronavirus anxiety seems to be the important being and sleep quality. In this vein, few researchers have tried to study the different aspects of anxiety and how these play their role in enhancing or discouraging the well-being and sleep quality in adults. Accordingly, the researcher planned to investigate into this area and conduct an investigation study. The purpose of this study is to investigate the role of coronavirus anxiety during the station pandemic in the well-being and sleep quality. Results of the present indigenous study will have important theoretical as well as practical implications. Study only conclude those people who were in urban areas. Study must consider people living in rural areas. There will be sanctified positive relationship between coronavirus anxiety and poor sleep quality in adults. There will be sanctified negative relationship between poor sleep quality and well-being in adults. There will be sanctified negative relationship between well-being and coronavirus anxiety. The present study was constructed to explore the relationship between coronavirus anxiety, sleep quality, and well-being among the general population of Pakistan. Correlational research design was used to collect the data. This research was based on online survey research sample. In the present study, sample of 98 participants was collected from different universities. Convented sampling technique was used to collect the sample. On these botanical participants, the sample of this study was criteria of various demography variables: age, gender, education, age range above 18 students willing in participate, having an physical disability, information, age, gender, education, materials, status, family system, job status, monthly income, and city name. The coronavirus inactivity scale is a self-report mental health scanner of inactivity associated with the coronavirus carries the case concept of 5 items. Each item of the scale is rated on the 5-point scale from 0 not at all to 4 nearly every day based on the experience over the past 2 weeks. A case total score 9 indicates probable dysfunctional coronavirus related inactivity. The case is reliable instrument with solid factorial inverted across and construct multi die.